Hi, I'm Danny with Buy2ARadios.com. We've recently become Kenwood's exclusive dealer for factory authorized refurbished radios. These reconditioned radios provide a good opportunity for our customers to purchase high-quality Kenwood products at a reduced price. Inevitably, there are going to be more questions about buying refurbished product than there would be with new, so we thought it'd be a good idea to make a quick video to address what we believe will be some common questions. So, what is a refurbished radio? Other manufacturers may have a different definition, but for Kenwood, a radio can be considered refurbished in 3 scenarios. First, radios that were returned to a dealer or to Kenwood as defective. Second, non-defective radios that were returned by customers and can no longer be sold as new. A radio could be returned by a customer for a variety of reasons, such as originally purchasing the wrong model, or maybe the customer needed to switch to a more powerful model. Third, are radios with damaged packaging. Once a radio has been packaged for sale, if anything happens to damage the outer packaging of the radio, Kenwood will not sell it as new. It's important to realize that regardless of how the radio became classified as refurbished, it has always been tested by a Kenwood authorized technician. Kenwood made a couple of decisions that really go the extra mile to put any concerns to rest. First, the full manufacturer's warranty still applies to any refurbished product. Generally, this warranty is 2 years. Please note, however, the warranty does not cover cosmetic issues. Second, if a rebate or special offer is available from Kenwood on a new model, that same offer is also available on the refurbished version of that model. If you're used to buying Kenwood radios, be aware that refurbished radios will be packaged differently than new radios. They will not be in standard Kenwood boxes. Instead, they're going to be shipped in a larger box with foam on the top and bottom without any inner boxes. The components may or may not be shrink wrapped. We do believe that factory authorized refurbished radios are a nice opportunity to save, and we recommend that our customers take advantage of it. That said, refurbished product is not something that we will be able to offer on a constant basis. Once we sell out of a model, we have no way of knowing when or even if we will be getting more. Buy2ARadios.com is Kenwood's exclusive dealer for factory authorized refurbished radios, so check our website for availability. I'm Danny, and thanks for watching.